Machine Repeat uses industry-leading digital marketing to move your inventory. Get more from your marketing dollar with machinerepeat.com.
Yeah, more on-site, definitely on-site training at the dealership level. Whether it's riding with the sales guys in the field, but their staff, it has to be trained. We would like to see parts directors for their, into our parts departments on a regular basis to train us up. Don't tell us how to run our business. They always have a tendency to try to tell you how to run your business, but no, they need to train us up on their products and what to look for on their products. That's the thing I see the OEMs don't like to do.